Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a few YouTube channel ideas that are great if you're lazy and you don't want a complicated setup, or you don't want to invest a whole lot of equipment, or maybe you just don't want to constantly have to work long hours editing and stuff like that. So one thing you can do is a Reddit channel. A Reddit channel is basically like a compilation channel in a way, because a lot of times you're usually going to focus on a group of posts in a certain category, but sometimes you don't have to do it that way. What you can do is look at a couple different channels for inspiration. As you can see here, I have MK or MK, however you want to pronounce that. But they have over 2 million subscribers, I'm sorry. But as you notice, they use a lot of different subreddits, like Technically the Truth and Cursed Comments and things like that. So they will usually have some sort of topic or some sort of compilation on the best post of the week or month for a certain subreddit that's pretty popular, that has a lot of submissions, and they will add some kind of commentary over them. But you don't have to see the person talking on camera. You don't really have to do much fancy editing, because most of their video is full of just like memes and pictures from Reddit and comments from Reddit. So it's pretty simple. It's something you could do like one of these a week and get a few 100,000 views. These people do a lot more than that, of course. They do like one a day because it's such a simple type of video. You can do one a day. Then you also have something like SirReddit. SirReddit is a little bit different. They also use the Reddit method, where they basically take a subreddit and get some kind of stories or top comments. So that's another thing you can do, is top post, or you can do top comments. And you can go based off of a post topic on just the best of the subreddit. So what they do on SirReddit is pretty much do one story and then the top comments, and then they don't even read it. They have a computer generated voice to read what's in there, so they could literally copy and paste the top comments they like and just have a computer read it off, and then maybe do like a few minutes of editing, and then boom, they have a video. So that's a pretty lazy way and fairly easy to make money off of Reddit, is just doing what SirReddit does. So you can literally just go to Ask Reddit and you can do all sorts of Reddit posts and figure out a niche that you could kind of make yourself different than MK and SirReddit, and create a nice channel from that. Another pretty easy thing you could do is gaming clips. You can actually record clips after you do something on a game. This is not live streaming. I'm not talking about streaming in this. I contemplated whether I should include streaming video games on here, because in a way you can make the case that it's pretty easy just to play video games and do let's play channels where you talk to people, or you talk to people in the chat. But there is quite a bit of equipment and setup involved with that kind of stuff sometimes, and most of the time people won't watch you unless you're pretty good at the game, or funny, or just a easy person to talk to. So instead, what you can do is try and find clips that you can use, or try and get people to send you clips that you can put in a compilation, upload it to YouTube, and have like a gaming tips and tricks, or gaming highlights, fails, and funnies, or funnies and fricks, all kinds of videos. Gaming right now is blown up. If you're not into anything else but gaming, I highly recommend you do like Twitch clips, or stream highlights. Just anything of that nature will work wonderful on YouTube. But you have to learn how to optimize, and you have to learn how to rank your videos so people can see them. You have to learn how to create good thumbnails, because the gaming niche is a really competitive niche, but if you do it the right way, you'll blow everybody out of the water. So next we have meditation and sleep channels. These have blown up, and these can make you tons of money because of how long they are and how much ads are ran throughout the video. And also, when people are listening to these, usually they're asleep, trying to go to sleep, so they just have it in the background. As you can see right here, I have up relaxing white noise. They have over 2 million subscribers, and they're killing it. What you can do is just go on YouTube, type in meditation or relaxing music, and then go to Creative Commons, click that, and you'll see all kinds of videos that you could use. Just take the sounds from those, download the sound, and then you can go to something like free stock photos or images like Pixabay, Pixels, Shutterstock, all those where you can just get these scenery videos of space or the ocean or some mountains or just all kinds of stuff, and then take the sound you downloaded from the Creative Commons YouTube and just put those videos over that, and then boom, you have your own meditation video. So then upload that, and obviously it's going to be like a couple hours long, and you could run all kinds of ads on that and just gain revenue from the ad revenue. And that's how like, I can imagine what this relaxing white noise is making. They're probably making millions a year. So if that's something you want to do, that's another channel you can do, then do it. I mean, there's this one is probably the most, like, the laziest out of all of them. So up next, if you're really good at talking, then I really suggest this one, is a podcast channel. I'm sure, as everybody's noticed, podcasts have taken over the world by storm, or the YouTube world, that there's so many podcasts out there that people listen to these, and it's just like the meditation channels. They're so long, you can run so many ads on them and make so much money. Not only that, just that your watch time and everything is going to increase, and what that does is boost you in the YouTube algorithm, which leads to more views, more subscribers, and all that. So, for instance, what I have right here is the Joe Rogan podcast. I'm sure everybody's heard about this at least once. If not, it's one of the biggest podcasts in the world. He just signed a $100 million contract with Spotify, I think. And just imagine that, $100 million. I'm sure when he started this podcast, there was no thoughts of making $100 million off of his podcast. But as you can see, it's possible, and people are doing it. There's tons of different podcasts out there. Just talk about something you love, really, or talk about something you know, or talk about some information you can give to people, and people will automatically just subscribe to you, and you know, just that they'll fall in love with your content, or maybe how you speak if you're well spoken. Who knows? It's pretty easy in a podcast. Is just turn on a camera or a microphone and just talk. You know, if you're not good with talking by yourself, obviously you can get a partner or two or three people in a group and just talk about conspiracies, scary stories, or what's going on in the world. How to make money. There's all kinds of stuff you can do in the podcast world. So if that's something you're interested in, obviously there's not going to be much work if you just go and press record and then, you know, just talk into a microphone, and then take that and upload it to YouTube. There's not really much editing unless you want to, obviously you want to do something to your microphone levels, noise removal and all that. But that's nothing but a YouTube search away. That's not hard at all, trust me. So yeah, YouTube podcast, or just regular podcast, video podcast, anything like that is wonderful. So up next is sports channels. Sports channels are big because sports are all over the world. Fans are all over the world, and fans are going to do anything to see their favorite team or see their favorite player play. So what I'm talking about is sports highlight channels. What I have right now is WTD Productions. Now, as you see, they only have 50,000 subscribers at the moment. But if you go down to popular uploads, all their videos are over a million views. Over time, obviously, it's a couple years ago, but a million views is still a million views. If they're running ads on this, a million people are seeing those ads. So just imagine how much money they're getting. And what you want to do is just, you know, find the best clips of a player you want to make a highlight of, or a team you want to make a highlight of, or like football big hits, or basketball best dunks, or highlights of this so-and-so dunk contest, career highlights. You know, just all of that is fairly easy to find on YouTube and not get copyrighted. But I'm sure there are ways people will try and do that. So what you want to do is like going back to the meditation, is look up your favorite player on YouTube and then go to Creative Commons, and you'll find all kinds of highlights, and you can just take those, download them, chop them up, edit them together, and you're not doing much work. All you're doing is downloading the videos and then chopping them up and putting them together. So you can make tons of money through sports if you're into sports, or if you know a lot about sports, or even if you have like tips and tricks from yourself that you want to give people. You can even do that. There's tons of people that are looking how to get better at baseball, basketball, how to dunk a basketball if you know how to dunk a basketball, how to kick a soccer ball, how to curve a soccer ball. Or you can do like Messi highlights, Neymar highlights, Derek Jeter highlights. You get the point. But if you do that over time consistently, you'll gain subscribers and you'll gain revenue throughout time. As you can see, these are 2, 3, 4 years old and 7.7 million views, which is crazy to me because they probably made over 100% made over $1 million on that video. So if that's something you're interested in is sports, I recommend doing like a sports highlight channel or greatest moments or stuff like that. So last but not least, guys, is compilation channels. Compilation channels can cover a wide range of things, as in like best beauty tips and tricks or best satisfying videos. I see a lot of satisfying channels that are making a lot of revenue and bringing in a lot of watch time and views and subscribers and whatnot. Also, what you can do is TikTok. Now that TikTok is as big as it is, you can take the best TikToks from so-and-so, or you can do the best TikToks or TikTok dances or TikTok sounds, all that. You can just put them in a compilation, upload them to YouTube, and do that consistently. You'll see over time you'll gain subscribers, your watch time is going to grow, you're going to get views and all kinds of stuff, and then by then you should be able to run ads on your channel and gain revenue from that. But that one is fairly easy. Like I said, I recommend the TikTok one, that since it's so big and everybody has TikTok, you can just get the best of TikToks and do like a best of the week or best of the month and so, or the best of so-and-so's TikToks and da-da-da-da. But you get the point. Like I said, I really recommend the TikTok one because it's so big and the niche is so wide that it's easy to get views, especially if you're doing it off somebody famous. And just take their clips, put them in a compilation, and then boom, upload them. You got a video. Do that consistently, and you got a successful YouTube channel. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you found this enjoyable, helpful, whatever the case may be. If you did, please consider pressing the thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, then press the subscribe button. I really hope this helps somebody go out there and grow their channel to over 100k subscribers or 500k subscribers or even 1 million, because it is possible, especially with the niches I just gave you and the ideas. That the niches I just went over are the biggest ones. There's multiple different ones I can do. If you want to see a second video on those, then like I said, press the like button. But without further ado, I'll let you guys go.